Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the rare Lina doll eyes on Dress to Impress. So if you don't have the dolls yet, you can use this instead. It is not the exact same, obviously. This is just kind of like what you can do if you don't have dolls where you are, and if you don't have the rare doll yet. So you're just going to go to the makeup chairs. Obviously you'll need custom makeup for it. Select this eyeshadow and color it FFD5, 5D5, and then you're going to add this one and you're going to color it FF5457, and then you're going to select this one. Where is it? Hold on. This one, and you're going to color it white, and then you're going to select this one and you're going to color it black, and then lastly we have this one and you're going to color it FFC3C4. And that is how you can create the rare Lina doll eyes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.